What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day number 239. I'm going to do a shameless plug to start this episode off. If you're looking for stuff for Christmas, please go check out the swag store on BC Spirits. Buy some t-shirts for people who love BC swag. BC swag. I love BC swag. That love BC Spirits. Perfect gift for everybody. Got tons of designs over there. So today, Tofino Distillery Limoncello. Now, Tofino Distillery is a very difficult distillery to work with. And I'm not going to say it because of the staff or anything like that. They just don't have social media. And as someone who looks after social media for lots of companies and does a lot of social media for themselves, it's very frustrating. Now, I have a soft spot for limoncello. I'm going to tell you why. Growing up in Australia, we had something called lemon spread. Lemon spread. Lemon butter. That's what we used to call it, lemon butter. And it's something you just grew up with in Australia. It's a kid's thing. You grew up with lemon butter and lemon butter on bread. So you put a little bit of margarine down, or butter, margarine usually, some lemon butter, and you take that to school. It's your sandwich. It's like jam. It's like peanut butter and jelly for Americans. So limoncello always hits home on this beautiful lemon butter, and I would literally eat lemon butter off a spoon out of the jar any given time. It's so delicious. So, on the nose, that's what it just reminds me of, is that lemon butter. Lemon peel, it's high notes of lemon peel, like being freshly zested off. Little bit of hints of the flesh underneath. But just that aromatic lemon, oh, it's just gorgeous. And on the palate, 28.5, so it's a little bit higher alcohol. You're starting to feel it right here. But man, it's just lemon on lemon on lemon on lemon. Beautiful sweet lemon, like you've cooked down the flesh or caramelized the flesh. High notes of lemon pith and lemon peel and everything else in between. It really is fantastic. There's a big strong sweetness here where it very reminds me of like child broiling lemons. Really caramelizing them and juicing them. We've done that for cocktails in the past. So this beautiful sweet lemon, which you never think that lemon would be getting to that sweetness, but Tofino Distillery's limoncello. If you love limoncello for Christmas time, get yourself a bottle. I think Spinnakers in Vic West stocks this one. So go track it down. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.